Steren Electronics is pleased to introduce the new Wireless Assurance tool. The new user-friendly, low-cost, ruggedized, handheld 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz dual-band Wi-Fi tester. It was exclusively designed for cable, telco, and network installers. It allows the user to find the best Wi-Fi channels available and determines the level of interference in the installation and troubleshooting area. With the Wi-Fi tester, the installer is able to analyze and troubleshoot wireless networks in residential and small to medium business settings. This ruggedized handheld device operates in standalone mode and does not require an access point connection, allowing the installer to easily identify the best signal strength for wireless devices. With its help, the installer or technician decides which channel to use, detects strong, weak wireless signals, and determines interference levels in the area. One of the key features and specifications of the wireless display testers is that it displays the distribution of the AP wireless environment across channels 1, 6, and 11, plus additional channels in the 2.4 GHz range and high or low channels in the 5 GHz spectrum. It supports both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz scanning on devices with dual band wireless, and lists all APs, along with their SSID, MAC address, frequency, channel, beacon signal strength, and security configuration such as WPA or WPA2. It also indicates a good, strong signal without interference with bad, fair, or good status for AP signal strength. Additional features include a built-in speaker to indicate good signal without interference, a scratch and shatter resistant tempered glass display, OTA firmware for future upgrade or manual upgrade via micro USB port, and is IP65 rated, which means it is waterproof and dust tight. Our new wireless tester is the ultimate combination of value and performance. It is a user-friendly, low-cost, ruggedized handheld 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz dual-band Wi-Fi tester, and it saves time and money by eliminating future truck rolls and customer service complaints. Technicians can use this device to choose the best channel location and eliminates the need for an additional access point or amplifier. The wireless tester has a quick and easy setup. Within minutes, a technician can set up a new system or troubleshoot a problem in an existing system. With Steren's wireless display tester, the signal is always in your control.